Hi everyone, I'm Taylor. In today's video, we're diving deep into the active noise cancellation on the B320. So let's get started right now. So how exactly does AMC work on this B320? There's a dedicated button right here. One press and you switch between three modes: AMC on, AMC off, and here three. The B320 has four microphones, two on each side. One on the outside of the ear cup, it captures the noise around you, while the other inside the ear cup, it processes the sound you hear. Together, this cancels out unwanted noise by generating sound waves that block it. Now here's the key. AMC works best with low and mid-frequency noise, and that's why the B320 works great when you're on the bus, subway, or in the noisy cafe shops. It helps create a quiet space, making your music sound clear and allowing you to stay focused. But for sudden high-pitched sounds like sirens or alarms, the effect might not be as strong. This is typical for most AMC systems. And what about transparency mode? It's super useful. No need to take off your headset, just tap once and you can hear what's happening around you. For example, if you're commuting, stay aware of the traffic, like car horns or approaching vehicles. Transparency mode ensures that you're safe, because you can hear clearly the sounds around you. In the office, if someone talks to you, you don't need to remove your headset. You can hear them clearly, hassle-free. So ensure everyone, the B320's AMC isn't just powerful, it's effortless. Wherever you are, you'll get crystal clear sound and an immersive experience. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like and follow us to stay informed about our latest products, updates, and insights. And this is for today's video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next month.